Union Budget 2025 is right around the corner and there's a lot of anticipation for India's automotive sector. This budget is expected to focus on making India's automotive industry greener, more competitive and aligned with global standards. One of the key areas is the boost to eco-friendly technologies with significant funding for research and development. We are also looking at enhanced EV infrastructure, especially in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities, and possible incentives for private companies to build more EV charging stations across the country. Tax relief measures, including rationalizing custom duties, could lower manufacturing costs and promote domestic production. The Automotive PLI scheme will likely get more support to encourage import substitution and strengthen India's position in the global market. We are also expecting a focus on job creation with a special emphasis on micro, small and medium enterprises in the sector. Lastly, we could see income tax deductions like Section 80 EEB aimed at boosting demand for EVs and making them more affordable for Indian consumers.